Kandekar. Today 5th September, Teachers Day. First of all, Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. Friends, today we are celebrating the Online Teachers Day. Under the guidance of our school principal Sir Nikam Sir, season head Shewal Sir and our class teacher Kachwe Sir. So friends, today I will teach you the subject Science. So let's start. Science part 2, chapter number 1, Heredity and Evaluation. First of all, what is mean by heredity and what is mean by evaluation? Because basic is very important. So, what is mean by heredity? Heredity म्हणजे काय? तर हेरिडिटी म्हणजे अनुवंशिकता. म्हणजे बघा, आपली जी जनरेशन आहे ती आणि आपली प्रीवियस जनरेशन म्हणजे आपले मम्मी पप्पा यांच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काहीतरी सिमिलरिटी दिसते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आपला स्किन कलर, आय कलर या सगळ्या ज्या कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आहेत यांच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काहीतरी सिमिलरिटी दिसते. तर ती सिमिलरिटी कशामुळे दिसते? तर हेरिडिटीमुळे. म्हणजे थोडक्यात हेरिडिटीची डेफिनेशन करायची झाली तर कशी? हेरिडिटी इज अ ट्रान्समिशन ऑफ अ बायोलॉजिकल कॅरेक्टर फ्रॉम पॅरेंटल जनरेशन टू देअर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. ओके. देन आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज इव्हॅल्युएशन. देन व्हॉट इज मीन बाय इव्हॅल्युएशन? इव्हॅल्युएशन म्हणजे काय? तर इव्हॅल्युएशन म्हणजे चेंज, बदल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, व्हॉट वी आर, आपण काय आहोत? वी आर ह्युमन बीइंग. ओके. वी आर होमो सेपियन्स सेपियन्स. आपले पूर्वज कोण होते? एम म्हणजेच मंकीज. म्हणजेच मंकीज पासून ती ह्युमन बीइंगची जी जर्नी आहे, जो प्रवास आहे, त्यालाच आपण इव्हॅल्युएशन असं म्हणू शकतो. म्हणजे थोडक्यात सांगायचं झालं तर इव्हॅल्युएशन म्हणजे ग्रॅज्युअल चेंज. So let's start our main point. First of all, the questions of question number 1. Which component of the cellular nucleus of living organisms carries hereditary characters? The answer will be the hereditary characters of a living organism is carried by the chromosomes which is present inside nucleus. Question number 2. What do we call to the process of a transfer of a physical and mental character from parents to the progeny? The answer will be the transfer of a physical and mental character from parents to progeny is called inheritance or heredity. Question number 3. Which are component of a DNA molecule? The answer will be DNA is made up of a chemical building blocks called nucleotides. These building blocks are made up of 3 parts: a phosphate group, a sugar group, and one of 4 types of nitrogenous bases. To form a strand of a DNA, nucleotides are linked into chains with the phosphate and sugar groups alternating. So our main point, heredity and hereditary changes. First of all, I will tell you what is meant by heredity. Heredity is a transmission of a biological character from parental generation to their next generation. Okay. Then what is meant by hereditary changes? अनुवांशिक बदल म्हणजे काय? तर आपली जी जनरेशन आहे ती आणि आपली प्रीवियस जनरेशन यांच्यामध्ये सिमिलरिटी आहे, परंतु 100% नाही. मग असे काही चेंजेस ज्यांच्यामुळे आपण आपल्या जनरेशन मध्ये आणि आपल्या प्रीवियस जनरेशन मध्ये डिस्टिंग्विश करू शकतो, डिफरन्स सांगू शकतो, त्या चेंजेसला आपण काय म्हणतो? हेरिडिटरी चेंजेस. सो you know that heredity is a transfer of a biological characters from one generation to another via genes. Then what is mean by via genes? मग ही जी इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे, जी ह्या कॅरेक्टर्स आहे, त्या एका जनरेशन पासून दुसऱ्या जनरेशन पर्यंत पोहोचवण्याचे काम ह्या वाया जीन्स करत असतात. देन व्हॉट इज मीन बाय जीन? सी, दिस इज अ डीएनए सिच्युएटेड इन द न्यूक्लियस and this is a gene. Gene is a one part or one system of a DNA. Okay. Then Johann Gregor Mendel is a pioneer of a modern genetics. मग आपल्याला जी हेरिडिटीची ही डीप इन्फॉर्मेशन, डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला मिळाली आहे ती कोणामुळे? तर जोहान ग्रेगर मेंडलमुळे. अराउंड द पिरियड ऑफ 1886 it took a long time for him to understood the conclusions of his research about heredity. In 1901, the research behind the sudden changes were understood to the mutational theory of a Hugo virus. Meanwhile, in 1902, Walton and Sutton observed the pair chromosomes in the cells of a grasshopper. Until then, it was not known to anyone. Research started in the direction of finding the nature of the genetic material when it was proved that genes are carried via chromosomes. While 1944, trio of scientists Oswald Avery, Maclean McCarthy, and Colin MacLeod proved that Except viruses, all living organisms have DNA as a genetic material. Then त्यानंतर 1986 मध्ये म्हणजे 1886 च्या दरम्यान जोहान मेंडल यांना खूप काय लागला त्यांच्या हेरिडिटीचा निष्कर्ष काढण्यासाठी, कन्क्लुजन्स काढण्यासाठी. आणि त्यानंतर 1902 मध्ये वॉल्टन आणि सटन यांनी ग्रासोपर म्हणजे नाकतोड्याच्या शरीरामध्ये प्रथमतः गुणसूत्रांच्या जोड्या पाहिल्या, ज्या तोपर्यंत कोणालाच माहित नव्हत्या. In 1961, the French genetics Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod proposed a model for a process of protein synthesis with the help of a DNA in a bacterial cells. It helps to uncover the genetic codes hidden in DNA. Thereby, the technique of a recombinant DNA technology emerged, which has vast scope in the field of genetic engineering. The science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of hereditary disorders. Production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants, industrial process in which microbes are used. तर हेरिडिटीची ही जी सायन्स आहे हे आपल्याला ट्रीटमेंट करण्यासाठी, प्रिव्हेंटेशन ऑफ हेरिडिटरी डिसऑर्डर, आपल्यामध्ये जे डिसऑर्डर्स असतात त्यांचा शोध लावण्यासाठी, तसेच इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस म्हणजे इंडस्ट्रियलच्या प्रोसेस जिथे मायक्रोब यूज केले जातात तिथे या हेरिडिटरी सायन्सचा यूज केलेला आहे. त्यानंतर आपला जो दुसरा पॉइंट आहे तो म्हणजे ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन, ट्रान्सलेशन अँड ट्रान्सलोकेशन. बट बिफोर दॅट वी कॅन सॉल्व two questions.
Question number first. Sketch and explain the structure of DNA and various types of RNA. First, we get the information about DNA. DNA molecule is a double helix consisting of two strands. Each strand of this helix is made up of nucleotides. Each nucleotide is made up of a phosphoric acid, a deoxyribose sugar, and a nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases are of two types, purines and pyrimids. The purines are of two types, adenine and guanine, and pyrimids are of two types, cytosine and thymine. The adenine always pairs with thymine with double hydrogen bonds, while cytosine always pairs with guanine with triple hydrogen bond. The helix remains bond due to these hydrogen bonds. Then we can study the RNA and the types of RNA. RNA is a nucleic acid having single strand of ribonucleotides. Each ribonucleotide is made up of ribose sugar, phosphate molecules, and a nitrogenous base. There are four types of nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. RNA is found both in nucleus as well as in cytoplasm. Then the first type of RNA is ribosomal RNA, rRNA. The molecule of RNA, which is a component of the ribosome organelle, is called as ribosomal RNA. Ribosomes perform the function of a protein synthesis. Then second one is a messenger RNA, mRNA. mRNA carries the information for a protein synthesis from genes on DNA chains in nucleus to the ribosomes in the cytoplasm. Therefore, it is called messenger RNA. Then last one is a transfer RNA, tRNA. tRNA is present in the cytoplasm. According to the message of the mRNA, it carries the specific amino acid up to the ribosomes as per the message coded on mRNA.
Then our topic transcription, translation and translocation. तर प्रत्येक ह्युमन बॉडी ही प्रोटीन्सची बनलेली असते, बिकॉज प्रोटीन्स आर अ बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी. पण हे प्रोटीन्स असतात जे आपल्या संपूर्ण बॉडीला बनवतात. मग हे कुठून येतात किंवा हे कसे सिंथेसाइज होतात ते आपण या टॉपिक मध्ये बघणार आहोत. सो with the help of the RNA, the genes present in the form of DNA participate in the functioning of a cell, thereby control the structure and the functioning of the body. Information about protein synthesis is stored in the DNA, and synthesis of appropriate protein as per a requirement is necessary for body. These proteins are synthesized by DNA through the RNA. This is called as a central dogma. mRNA is produced as per the sequence of a nucleotide on DNA. Only one of the two strands of DNA is used in this process. So, this is a DNA. It forms RNA, and RNA forms a protein, and this process is called as central dogma. Thank you, friends, and and our next topic, Patil sir will continue. So I will thankful to our class teacher and our principal sir to give this opportunity to me.